How to get cigarette smoke smell out of your car, detailed guide. Are you sick of your car smelling of cigarette smoke? Well, don't worry, because we've got the perfect solution for you. In this video, we'll guide you on how to get cigarette smoke smell out of your car, so you can drive in peace again. But first, what are the tools and materials you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get rid of that awful smell. Get rid of it! The following are different ways to get cigarette smoke smell out of your car. Go through each of these solutions in the order presented in this video. If any of the solutions get rid of the smell, you don't have to try the next method. Open windows and air out the car. Opening windows and airing out your car will allow fresh air into your car. The fresh air will help reduce the smoke smell and smoke residue. To begin, open all the windows and doors of the car. Let the air circulate for as long as possible. You can also turn on the air conditioning or heater to help circulate the air. Don't forget to open the glove box and any other storage compartments. This will allow air to reach these areas and remove all the smoke smell. Remove the ashtrays and vacuum the car. Removing the ashtrays and vacuuming the carpets, seats, and other surfaces can help a great deal. These actions can remove the ash and any other debris that may be trapping the odor. Vacuuming can also remove any lingering particles of smoke trapped in your car's interior fabric. Get started by taking out and emptying the ashtray into the trash. Next, vacuum the carpets, seats, and other surfaces. Make sure to pay special attention to all cracks, crevices, and other hard-to-reach areas. Doing this will remove any remaining cigarette ashes or debris. To get the best results, use a vacuum with a HEPA filter. This type of vacuum has a powerful suction. Therefore, it can effectively remove even the most stubborn dirt and debris. In addition, use a crevice tool to get into all of the hard-to-reach areas. Use the vacuum cleaner's brush attachment to loosen up any stuck-on dirt. Shampoo the carpets. This should be done after you vacuumed the carpets. So, if you've not done that, we advise that you do so before you continue. It's important to use a professional-grade shampoo that is specifically designed to remove odors. You can also use a mix of baking soda and water as an alternative. Once you've chosen the shampoo, mix it with water according to the instructions on the bottle. Then, using a sponge or scrub brush, apply the solution to the carpets and scrub gently. Let the solution sit for a few minutes before wiping it off with a wet cloth. Repeat this process until the carpets are clean. Finally, let them air dry or use a wet-dry vacuum to speed up the drying process. Once the carpets are dry, the smoke smell should be significantly reduced. Clean the air conditioning system. To clean the air conditioning system, start by turning off the car and opening the hood. Locate the air filter and remove it from the car. Most air filters can be easily removed by hand. Next, use a vacuum cleaner to vacuum out any debris or dirt in the air filter. After vacuuming, use a brush to brush off any remaining dirt or debris. Once the air filter is clean, reinstall it in the car and close the hood. Now, turn the car on and turn on the air conditioning. This will help remove any remaining smoke smell from the air conditioning system. After a few minutes, turn off the car and the air conditioning. For a more detailed guide on how to get rid of cigarette smoke from your car air conditioner, watch the video titled, How to Get Cigarette Smell Out of Your Car Air Conditioner, Detailed Guide. Use odor-absorbing products. Using odor-absorbing products is an effective way to remove the smoke smell from your car. There are several products that you can use. Examples include baking soda, charcoal, or coffee grounds. Baking soda is one of the most effective ways to absorb odors. To use it, simply sprinkle baking soda on the carpets and upholstery. Let it sit for about 15 minutes before vacuuming it up. Charcoal is another great option. To use this option, put some charcoal briquettes in a bowl. Leave the bowl in your car for a few days. The charcoal should absorb the smoke smell. You can also use coffee grounds by spreading some on the carpets and upholstery. Leave it to sit for a few hours and then vacuum it up. The coffee grounds will absorb the smoke smell. It's important to air out the car and vacuum before using any of these products. Doing so will remove any particles that may be contributing to the smell. Use air fresheners. There are many different types of air fresheners available, including sprays, gels, and plug-ins. When using an aerosol spray, make sure to spray in all the crevices and hard-to-reach places. Gels and plug-ins are great for longer-lasting odor control. Make sure to follow the instructions on the product carefully to get the best results. You can also make your own air freshener using essential oils and water. Simply put a few drops of your chosen oil into a small spray bottle. Then, fill the rest with water. Shake it up and spray it around the car to neutralize the cigarette smoke smell. Use essential oils. Essential oils, such as lavender, can help neutralize the smell of cigarette smoke smell. First of all, get an essential oil diffuser. Add a few drops of the essential oil of your choice to the diffuser. Turn the diffuser on and let it run for several hours. Instead of using a diffuser, you can use cotton balls. To do so, add a few drops of essential oil to cotton balls. Now, place the cotton balls around your car. This will keep the scent of the essential oils circulating throughout the car. Clean hard surfaces. This involves cleaning all of the hard surfaces in your car that may be affected by cigarette smoke. This includes the dash, windows, doors, and any other hard surfaces. You'll want to use a non-toxic cleaner specifically designed to remove the cigarette smoke smell. To start, ensure that the area is well ventilated. Once you've done that, spray the cleaner onto the surface and let it sit for a few minutes. Then, use a clean microfiber cloth to wipe the surface down. Finally, use a dry cloth to buff the surface and make sure it's completely dry. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you liked it and found it useful. If so, please like, share, and comment to let me know what you thought. Your feedback is important to me. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos.